Welcome, here I've got LG V50 ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera and one of this is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center. We can also go to the left to these buttons to decide if we want to have the part of the video in slow motion or all of it. So let me show you how the part works by tapping on this button to start recording. And now we can record the video in standard video speed. When we tap here on this button from the left a little bit longer, we get access to the part in the slow motion. When we stop touching this, we go back to the standard video recording. By tapping again on this button, we can stop recording. And now let me pick all the video in slow motion to show you how it looks like. So let me record the video once again. This is my object. And let's stop again. To see the video, let's move to the left to this button. Here we get quick access to the gallery. And now we can see the slow motion video at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.